Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today, August 26, 2025, there's two big news stories that are hitting the wire right now. First, before we go too far, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulation videos that could be happening. Two big things hit the wire today. And I'm actually surprised I'm making this video. I somehow got the bat fever again. And this is my first day from the third day, maybe fourth day. I'm actually feeling good today. So, here for a video with you. All right. The first big news from today. Let me get on here. Guess what? T-Swizzle and Travis Kelce got engaged. That's some big news. Hopefully, everybody who watches these videos can like that news. I know you don't like everything I bring to you guys, but hopefully you can like that news. How long do you think their wedding is going to last, or how long their marriage is going to last? Are they even going to make it to getting married? What do you guys think? Comment below, let me know. All right, now the second big news that's hitting the wire today is an announcement from the EPA. This is Air Plan Revisions, California Heavy Duty Vehicle Inspection and Maintenance Program. So this is the program that brings you the clean trucks checks in California and the roadside big rig emissions checks. Ones where they drive past, and if CARB or whoever does the emissions testing sees that your vehicle is polluting, they send you a notice in the mail that you need to get the problem fixed and get an inspection to show that you have actually fixed the problem, that your vehicle is not polluting. Up until now, this program pertains to any big rig, any heavy duty vehicle over 14,000 pounds that is non-gasoline combustion vehicles, or engines I should say. It doesn't matter if the vehicle is registered in California, it just matters if it's here in California functioning up till now. Well, with this proposal, what the EPA is saying is, as of today, they opened up a window for comment, so you could write into this one. And I'll try to find here on the bottom addresses. Yeah, so here on the link that's going to be in the description below is going to be to the actual website of the EPA, and you'll be able to submit your comments if you go down to the bottom of this webpage, and you'll find all that information there. But what EPA is trying to say is two things. One, they approve the program for California. As long as the vehicle is registered in California, the rules for the Clean Trucks program, or Clean Trucks Check program, applies to vehicles registered in California. But they are going to disapprove, or they want to disapprove that. Let me get to it. It says EPA is proposing to disapprove the state's heavy-duty inspection and maintenance regulation to the extent it applies to vehicles registered out of state or out of country. So if you're operating your vehicle in California, your big rig in California, you're not going to be subject to the CARB rules that the California registered trucks are going to be subject to. So this is up until, it's still going on. All trucks in California still have to abide by the Clean Trucks program, or what is it actually called? It's going to be called the Heavy Duty Vehicle Inspection and Maintenance Program. Up until now. Again, it says, this document has a comment period that ends in 30 days, 9/25 of 25. So if you guys have something to say about this, just like with the endangerment findings, I encourage you guys, go get your voice heard. Go comment on these. Let them know what you think. Should this proposal go through? Should it stay as it is? Get your voices heard no matter what you want, if you're for it or against it. Now, don't forget, in the description below, there's going to be links for everything that I talk about. You don't just take my word for it. You don't have to go search for stuff. I do the searching for you, and I bring the mules to the water. I just can't force you to drink, they say. But I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to check out the video library. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.